Secret tips and home remedies for silky, glossy hair. At home without treatment. Welcome back to my channel. Imagine running your fingers through hair that's silky, smooth, and glowing like glass. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, that dream is about to become your reality. In this complete guide, I'll be sharing the best tips, natural remedies, and expert secrets to getting shiny, healthy, and frizz-free hair right from home. So let's dive into the ultimate hair glow up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep the good vibes going. Coconut oil and aloe vera mask for deep shine and hydration. Take 2 TBSP coconut oil and 2 TBSP aloe vera. Mix all ingredients and apply to your hair for 30-40 minutes. Rinse with a mild shampoo. Two, rice water rinse for glass-like shine. Soak the rice in water for 30 minutes or boil it.
Rinse again and drain. For the third rinse,
use the water as a final rinse after shampooing.
The rice for 1 minute.
Leave it for 5 minutes and rinse with cold water.
Let sit and room temperature for 1.
Egg and yogurt hair mask for silky softness. 1 whole egg, 3 TBSP yogurt. Mix and apply to hair for 30 minutes. Wash with a mild shampoo. Use cold water to avoid egg smell. Apple cider vinegar rinse for instant gloss. Take 2 TBSP apple cider vinegar, ACV, and 1 cup of water. After shampooing, pour the ACV mix over your hair. Leave it for 5 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Bonus tips for shiny hair. Use silk satin pillowcases to avoid frizz. Brush hair gently with a wooden comb to distribute natural oils. Avoid excessive heat styling to keep hair naturally shiny. And that's it, loves! With these simple tips and remedies, you're now on your way to silky, shiny, and healthy hair that glows like never before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more beauty secrets, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a glow-up tip.